welcome to Left-Handed Lock Sport. I'm the EJM3, and this is the Lockpicking Advent Calendar, Day 11. So we have picked this for the last 10 days, getting progressively harder each day. Yesterday was the first time that this ABUS 83 is actually tougher than a stock ABUS 83. It now has 6 pins in it, all but one today has spools in it with one standard pin. This is our bidding that we did on day 1. Here's my populate 1.0 note that I gave to myself, but extremely difficult bidding with a low, high, low, high, low, high. The only one that we have left to exchange is this one right here, number 4. So, why are we doing this? Well, we are picking a progressively harder lock a day each day in March to promote lock sport, grow the community, and have fun while we're doing it. And just to show you that this still works. And let's get picking. After the pick, then we will get to the gutting of it. So let's set this all up and give it a whirl. So starting in the back, that was pin 5, I believe. We got a pop off of 6. That was 5. Bringing it back a little bit. Getting caught on 4. Just pop that up. It became really springy real quick. 3. Got a pop off of 3. Trying to get 2. 2 seems like it wants to pop, but no click. And just a little click off of 1. Moving back down. 2 is still not moving. And 3 is where it should be. 4 is springy. 5 is where it should be. And 6 might need another pop. There we go. Couple fell while we were doing that. Including, I think, 5. Let's try to get click off 5. 4. 4 is binding now. Got a click and a turn of the core. So we are in a false set. Let's see if we can do anything with this. I'm going to move over again to my short hook to pop number 1. Alright. You got to click and deeper false set, even deeper false set as soon as I touch 2. Bringing 2 up. Super deep false set. So I'm sure we're down to our last one. So which one is it? 3 seems like it's a bit too low. We are getting some counter. And we got the open. It's always rewarding to get this popped open. It's always a relief. Alright, so I'm gonna gut this thing. I'll fast forward through it and meet you on the other side. Alright, so we got all the pins populated in there. And let's just go through the chamber real quick. So we are looking for just one standard. We have a spool in 2, a spool in 3, a standard in 4, a spool in 5, and a spool in 6. No need for the random number generator today, because we're just switching out this number 4 with the last of the spools. And we'll be back tomorrow for day 12, where it's all spools before we move up to the serrated. So until tomorrow, peace.